Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switching 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we continue with our speed lesson, looking at lesson number 29, 5 words of the day. Today's words are as follow: punishment, kotlo, 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 kotlo. Visibility, go bonagala, go bonagala, go bonagala, go bonagala, go bonagala. Agriculture, temo, 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 temo. Dehydration, go felelwa ke metsi mmeleng, 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 go felelwa ke metsi mmeleng. Environment, tikologo, 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 tikologo. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switching 2020.